In this video, we will see how to book hotel with Afterpay. Shopping at Agoda Hotels is now more convenient and budget-friendly than ever with Afterpay. This innovative payment option allows you to book your stay and split the cost into 4 interest-free fortnightly installments, making luxury stays or budget accommodations more accessible. Here's how to use Afterpay with Agoda Hotels. Select your hotel. Find the perfect Agoda hotel for your trip and head to checkout. Choose Afterpay. At the payment section, opt for Afterpay as your payment method. For existing Afterpay users, simply log into your account, confirm your details, and you're done. Your booking gets processed immediately, just like any other payment method. Afterpay, you get the flexibility to enjoy your travel now and manage payments over time, making every Agoda booking smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.